This drone came with us because the drone was having a problem in the barometer. Excessive, I can't remember the words. The drone was having a problem in the barometer. So we already changed the barometer. There is a new one. This is the old one. And if we check the drone, we're gonna turn it on. There it is. The remote controller is already turned on.
Se ha quedado sin pesticida. Aterrice y rellene el tanque.
And if we see the alerts, these are from the arms. These are because the drone is not connected to the tank. But if we see here, avionics, there is no error here, and the error of the barometer it's not appearing. So this drone is already fixed.